Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog, my birthday vlog. This is my actual birthday. So I want to tell you guys thanks so much for all the birthday love that you guys have been showing me. I just left on a little breeze out today. So yeah, today's my birthday. I'm gonna be trying to carry you guys along with me. Want to still live in the moment, y'all know me, so whatever I want to get for this vlog is what I'm gonna get. But it's morning time now. I'm about to go to the gym. Yes, I'm still working out, even though I'm on a little breeze out for my birthday. I don't usually go to the gym regularly, so because the hotel has a gym, I'm definitely gonna take advantage of that. So hopefully I can get a little bit of footage in the gym. I'm not sure if people will be in there and what it will look like, but yeah. Remember to subscribe, you guys. See my voice not even wake up good. Remember to subscribe, remember to like this video, remember to check out the previous video on my channel, my other channel called Yardments, all my playlists and everything. So come with me for my birthday vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. I wanted to show you guys my little view from my room. So you have the beach over that side, and we have a nice view of the pool area. So we're gonna head to the gym now, but this is my view. Alright guys, I just finished at the gym. Honestly, it was nice. It was a nice workout, a change from what I usually do at home. So yeah, the gym was fun. Gonna try grab some water now and then probably get some breakfast. So I'll see you in the next clip. guys, so I just got a little bit of fruit. So I have pineapple and a banana to start, and I'm gonna drink my water because you know I just came from work now. Then I'm gonna get something more substantial, and then I'm gonna show you. So I went back and I got some French toast right here, some bacon, and I have a Danish here. Also have some syrup and a hash brown under here. So I'm gonna grab on this. It's not really enough people, but yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm doing something else. Guys, I've honestly just been sleeping because your girl is tired after my eat breakfast and I bathe off. Went to go lie down and just been kind of chilling. We're now down by the pool area, so yeah, I'm gonna show you what that's looking like. I don't know if I'll go in the water. Like, me and the sun don't really agree, and right now it's like the sun is like very ripe and I don't want my skin to burn, so I'll see what I'll do. But I'm gonna show you guys what the place is looking like. I think they have about 3 pools in this area that we are, so I'll give you guys a glimpse of that. I'm here just chilling, sitting down. Hubby's in the pool enjoying himself. I made sure to carry my cantina so that I just get drinks in this, but man, like, my cantina is really big, so they literally filled my cantina to the brim, and my cantina is pretty big, so I'm just sipping on this. I soon gonna eat some lunch because I'm feeling hungry. But yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm not going in the pool. The sun is just too hot for me right now, so I'll just enjoy my drinks. Honestly guys, I don't know, the lunch wasn't really looking so appetizing to me, so I just got 3 slices of pizza. This one is a bacon cheese, this one is ham and cheese, this one is pepperoni, so that's what I'm gonna eat. I'll probably get some orange juice with that. I still have my jug here with some pina colada in there, so yeah, I'm gonna drink that while I eat my lunch. I may go back inside and get some dessert or something because I know this not gonna fill my belly at all. So I decided to get some dessert because, as you can see, I didn't really eat anything much before. Honestly, the pizzas weren't all that to be honest. I wish I hadn't taken the one with the bacon. It just never tastes nice. Anyway, so what I have here is tiramisu, chocolate cake, and I think it's a chocolate cheesecake or some kind of cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake, something over there. So I'm gonna eat that. I'll probably go into the pool a little bit later, like how the sun is kind of going down now, and then probably chill a little, then probably get ready for dinner. And yeah, that will probably be where I end the vlog, but we'll see guys. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video. Thank you guys again for all the birthday love. So I'm ready for dinner now. I'm actually going to the Mandalay for dinner, which is an Asian restaurant. This is my face. I'm on heels, but honestly, the gym mash up my legs them, and it's like, cannot walk in the evening, so I'm just part them. So this is my outfit for today. We're gonna show you the food and the different stuff that we get. So I'll see you guys on the inside. We're actually waiting on our table now. So I'll see you guys on the inside. Alright guys, this is the Mandalay. People are already inside. As I said, we're waiting on our table. I'm gonna see if I can get some visual of the menu for you guys. That's the menu. And as I said, it's an Asian vibe, Asian restaurant. Yeah. So this is the menu again. Guys, I don't even know if you can hear me because it's like so loud in here. But for the appetizer, I got the shrimp tempura. So this is what I'll be eating. I think this is, actually I don't remember what kind of sauce this is. But yeah, this is the appetizer. Here's the entree. It's a chicken tandoori with basmati rice and broccoli. This is the entree that I'll be having this evening. Just got a birthday cake. It's so cute, pink and white. I guess I'll cut it now. Which way should I cut it? I'm gonna cut my cake after three. 1, 2, 3. Yep. This is my cake. It looks like chocolate cake. Yeah, that was nice of them. Nice of them to do a little cake. Cute. So it's actually a couple days later since my birthday, and I'm kind of just coming on to close out the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed all that I showed you. I know it's not a lot, guys. I'm still trying to get the hang of vlogging, and also, you know, my thing about being present and in the moment, and I really wanted to enjoy my day. But I really did enjoy it. So we're actually gonna be leaving the hotel today. I don't think I told you guys. I don't know if you guys probably would have picked up, but the hotel that we stayed at was RIU Ocho Rios. We have been here before. We did a detailed review of this hotel before on our other channel called Yardments, so you guys can check that out. I'll leave the link to that detailed video in the description so you guys can check it out. This was just taking you guys along with me for the day of my birthday. Obviously I would have spent other days at the hotel and done other stuff, but I just wanted to let you guys in on a bit of the celebrations. I want to thank you guys again so much for all the love that I received on my birthday. It was legit so overwhelming. I thank you guys for all the support, for all the kind words and the well wishes. I really appreciate it. And also I want to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel. Please go ahead and like this video. Check out the previous video on my channel, my other playlists and stuff that I have, and also my other channel called Yardments, which I already mentioned to you guys. Thanks guys for checking out this video, for coming along with me for my birthday 2021. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Thank you.